It's good to see kuna mtu anajali. Kimani Mbugwa's dad ni ahutetio ni ciiko cia journalist Larry Madowo uria ukoretwo at the center to make sure ati Kimani Mbugwa ni ahona kana mental health yake ni arorwo without even anyone noticing it. Uga Obina na Kimani's dad were shocked rĩrĩa makinyire kuria Mathare Hospital gukorwo magi-follow up ono uria magukorwo makigia urigiti mweru wa Kimani Mbugwa. Obina and Kimani's dad were shocked ni undu wa details ikorirwo ikirekererio ni a nurse at Mathare Hospital regarding journalist Larry Madowo to Kimani Mbugwa. Last year Kimani Mbugwa was admitted ko Mathare for treatment egie mental health yake. Obina na Kimani's dad makilan ati journalist Larry Madowo akoretwo agika maundu andu mataramenyaga. Madowo arakoretwo akiriha anonymously NHIF card ya Kimani Mbugwa niguo ku make sure ati hindi ciothe family eno yenda uteithio wa mwana wao they can access it tondu NHIF yao ni ndihe. Details that were released to Obina na Kimani's dad by a nurse akugaga she is a relative to journalist Larry Madowo, akiuga anonymously kana mundu wothe ona atakunoti Larry Madowo was clearing NHIF card bill ya Kimani Mbugwa na niyo ikoretwo ikihotithia kana makorirwo makimenya it was up to date. Na riria Kimani Mbugwa's dad akorirwo agikwa interview ni Obina, he mentioned Larry Madowo in multiple way agitariria uria the journalist had come kana atwikite a helping hand.
You're my senior. You're my senior. I need to follow you. That's a very nice question, Kim. How did you know I'm Obina? And you don't follow me.
I don't follow you. I don't like you.
I don't like you, Obina. You talk truth.
I like you. Let me talk to.
If you watch Obina's show, Obina kujua vile mambo imekaa. Angalia show ya Obina. Show ya Obina ni ukweli huko. Obina tuna show?
Hapana, tuzipiga show sasa. Mpaka ukirecover tunaipiga.
Sawa basi.
I'm assisting this guy.
No, utapatiwa.
When ebu record.
Ngoja kidogo. Usirecord. We. Don't record.
Okay.
You are bond of recording people.
Okay.
So, he's a good guy.
Yes, he is.
Let me talk to that.